With humble beginnings in America's heartland, MOXIE is now a leading solar installation company across the country. MOXIE stands apart from the competition with in-house solar experts that make the process of going solar quick and easy. Not only do we focus on solar education before sales, we are the only solar company in the nation with a rapid installation team. Our team of specialized solar experts makes the process of going solar lightning fast, without ever sacrificing quality, customer service, or attention to detail. Using our unique virtual process, the MOXIE Rapid Installation Team can install your system up to 3 times faster than the national average. This means you go green and start saving green faster than ever before. So whether you're looking to install solar energy for your home, farm, or business, let us show you the difference it makes when you work with MOXIE, America's solar company.